morning, good 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 morning. Waiting for this to go live. Waiting to go live here. Working on the live stream. Your stream will start shortly. Good morning, everyone. We are trading the S&P futures once again. Crazy. I know. We getting a big sell-off here on the S&Ps last night, after close last night. We got a big sell-off, 25.62 all the way down to 24.74 here. Looks like the bull trap has ended. Holy shit. Market's about to open in about 1 minute. Dropping about 100 points, almost 100 points from yesterday. It's like, I'm going to take the next signal here. We have one failure. Actually, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 failures in a row. So this could get pretty interesting pretty quick. Gonna take the next signal here. This one wasn't really a failure, but it didn't match the risk. Let's see what's going on here. Dude, it looks like we're a little bit range bound after that huge sell off there. See if we, since volatility is pretty low, let's trade off of the 3200 tick chart here, and then we'll change this one to 6400 here. And then we'll change our stops to match the volatility of the 3200, which would be 6.75. And then we pull up the stream. We make a new low here. I'm going to take this signal here. Changing the chart a little bit around, testing it out. I'm liking the new candles here so far. Doing a little bit of like just to make it so I don't get biased or anything. It's all the same. Matters less what direction it's gonna go. I'm just gonna follow the market, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna try to force it. I think this makes it a little bit better. Instead of the red and the blue, I can just look at green, see where it kind of marks the signal. Watching the 3200 here and the 6400 chart. That's a nice signal, the 6400. Before this massive sell-off, the 6400 did not get stopped out. So, like that, it did not get stopped out there. I'm liking how smooth the price action is at the 6400. 6.4 now. Right now we're just sitting on our hands, not really doing anything, just waiting. It's kind of waiting here. We could probably change our stops down to 6.5 here. Volatility is changing live on the stream. Let's see. Just waiting for a signal really. Not really taking any trades until we get a signal right now. Checking it out. Trading live. Sending my Snapchat streaks while I wait for a signal. Looks like we could get the sell-off here. Could get the selling signal here. Break new lows of day. It's been consolidating for the last however many hours, all night basically. A little bit of a descending triangle pattern as well. Waiting for a new low. Waiting for another signal. For another signal. It's a little bit of a slow morning. Slow morning to start. You could see that descending triangle pattern right here. Kind of broke structure a little bit, but now it's forming another consolidation. Lower high descending triangle type deal here. Not really getting as crazy moves as that one day I was trading at 3,000 from one contract trade. It was absolutely crazy. Nothing really going on right now. Waiting for price to decide where it wants to go. Leaning towards more of a sell-off here, but might be overextended from the massive sell-off last night. Could be institutional banks unwinding their longs after their short covering. This monster rally here. Monster rally from 22, I think, 2,200 all the way up to back up to 2,600 over the past week or so. Looks like we could get a new high here. Could get a new high. The higher highs are moving down for the 21 signal. I'm gonna have to take it if it's if we hit the signal. I'm gonna have to take it. Just follow the market, I guess. If we get a new high here, I'm gonna have to take the signal here. Even though I have a little bit of a short bias right now. I'm gonna take the signal there. See if we can't get filled there.
Order filled.
Breaking a new high there. Stops at 24.80. Just a push. Stops moved up to 24.81. I'm just gonna say the last two digits, the 1,000 there. 81.75. Stops move up to 82.50. 250. Stops move to 86. Just about break even. 86 moved up to 86. Looks like we're having to move the stop down 85.50. 85.25. Looking for this to push harder. This is a signal on both time frames here. Moving the stops back down to 84.75. Adjusting it to average true range here. 84.75 seems to be the bottom for our stop here. So if we get down to 84.75, we're going to get stopped out here for about a two-handle loss here. Looking for this to push up now. I think we can do it. It's gonna get some consolidation on this 2,500, but if it breaks this 2,500, we can definitely push up. Not liking this price action stalling here, but it could be a grinder here. Looking for this to push up right now. Push. This to push up. closer stops. Looking for this to really just rally right now since we're getting the signal here. Even though I'm a little bit of short bias. Definitely push. Come on. I mean, if this doesn't work, kind of benefit, I guess you could say. Because then we'd be, the next one has a higher chance of success since we hit a couple of failures in a row. Not saying that I took a couple failing trades, just the signaling system took a couple failures in a row. That means we have more chance of taking a winner for the next signal. We can't consolidate forever. That's the thing. So we already skipped about 2 or 3 signals here by not trading in the middle of the night. By skipping the 2 or 3 signals, really increasing our odds on this one and the next one. But it looks like we're going to get stopped out here. Really close to our stop here. 2 handles, 1 handle away. We're going to get stopped out here.
Stop filled.
Gonna get stopped out here. Taking a $91 loss. Not really that big of a deal. I originally had 3 times that as our risk, so that's a really small loss compared to what it could have been. This is pushing down now. Let's see if it hits the 6,400 stop loss. I don't have it in play. But if I was trading off the 6,400 chart, I would have got stopped out just now. Would have got stopped out exactly. So now we're going to take the next signal, whether it be up or down. We're going to take it regardless. Following the system here. I was thinking about taking profits early, but really don't want to take profits early because it can run after you take them early, and then you'll be shooting yourself in the foot when it's like a $3,000-$4,000 win. It's got to be able to maintain a flat P&L as much as you can while you wait for the big wins. You really have to let the winners ride here. Cannot cut the winners short, or else you lose out on a lot of compounding. Waiting for the next signal here. Looks like it's kind of rejecting that 2,500 zone, even though this is kind of a newer high compared to down here. Not quite breaking up these highs. Here, as you can see, the 55 is still up there. But, I mean, I guess if we get another signal right now, I will take it. Getting the signal. I think we're going to get it. It's ready to jump on the trigger there. Not quite breaking through there. Let's see if this bounce will make it come back up. Alright, not getting the signal there. Not quite. Yeah, at least. This is going to be a double signal, looks like. Could be the 21 and the 55 highs. Could be breaking the 21 and the 55 highs. They're really close to each other. We're going to join in there.
Order filled.
Getting filled there. Stops at 24.86. $86.25. Stops at $86.25. Looking for this to push. Make a new high here. Over this to push to make a new high. for this to rally here. No, look at that price action. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out here. Stops at 86. Probably gonna get stopped out here. It's really close, about 2 handles out from getting stopped. A little bit unfortunate there. For this to really push, but looks like we might not get it. Gonna keep following the system here. Not quite getting stopped out yet, but it's getting really close. If this doesn't pick up steam soon, we're gonna definitely get popped here. That looks like we're gonna get stopped here. Absolutely crazy. It's really close again. It's getting really close. Only 2 handles away from our stop loss here. Gonna get stopped.
Stop filled.
Disappointing. 2 losses in a row. We're gonna take the next signal once again. This is gonna be the last trade for the day. Absolutely disappointing here. We're right on the 50. So couldn't broke new highs twice, but not really trending. Just ranging right now. Really tried there. Going back into consolidation here. We're gonna have to take the next signal. Imagine if we took all these signals here, we would have been bankrolled. It's just trending, but now it's most of the time markets aren't trending, so. Taking 2 losses there. Now we're breaking structure on there. Looking for this to make a newer low. See if we can't make a newer low of day. Looking for this to push down, break that red line here, this 21 lower low. Looking for this to make a newer low at this 21 low. Really not doing much of anything right now. 24.82 here. Couldn't quite make a newer high. Couldn't quite trend after making a new high. Waiting for this to push. Really just not trending right now, not a trending market right now. It's cranny. Wow, are we really pushing up to make a new high here? Not really trending right now. Dow 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 dow. Just taking two trades, ending up being losers here. This could be do I dare say a pattern, like a head and shoulders pattern? I mean, probably not. Not really trending at all. Five stops to 5.5 looks like right now. Not really much movement these past couple mornings. From 9:30 to 10, not really much movement at all. See yesterday's 9:30 to 10. After 10 o'clock, there was a monster rally. But over here, not really that much. Had this little thing, and then that was it. Not really rallying that much. Waiting after 10 o'clock here. We could stay for a little bit longer. See if anything happens after 10 o'clock. So much consolidation right now. Alright, looking like we're about to make a new high. We're getting really close now. Looks like the market kind of bottomed out here for the day at least. 2467 seems to be the low. Can't seem to quite break that low. Higher low here. Higher low here. Higher low here. Lower low here, but not really that much lower. Can't seem to quite break that trend. For this to really just move in any direction. Not really moving at all. We're at the 88 right now. 2488. Not much action at all. We are not moving. A lot of consolidation right now. Kind of a good thing we're sitting on our hands. If I were really scalping, I could have taken profits early there, but not really liking that idea. Really liking the big wins trend following has given me. All you really need is one big win and you friggin' dominate. Wow, what is this? Support forming here. Just a couple days ago we were at 2160, 2170 about. Rallying, monster rally. Past couple days, and then looks like we've reached a top here at about 2630. Looks like we were reaching a top there. Looks like this is looking to break lower lows. Just consolidating right now, but bigger picture here, this has a lot of room to move down. If it breaks this lower channel here, this lower support, I mean. Kind of broke structure here. Let's see if we can't draw that in. No, we're not getting a signal yet. Let's see if we can draw this in right now. See, it kind of broke structure here. And since then, I couldn't really pass above this line, at least at the same rate that I could pass above the line. And then, same thing with this one. If you draw it here, this trend couldn't break up past that line. It actually broke structure. If you want to draw this here, to be determined still. Move all drawings. Looking for this to just looking for it to move, really, and keep moving. Oh. A lot of indecision right now, getting bored. Not gonna place any trades, just gonna keep watching here. Just watching these markets. Really got to clean up my room. It's a little bit of a mess right now. Now that I'm thinking about it. Not really trending yet. That's all right. All right. So here's my hypothesis. Volatility is coiling down. Like it's getting compressed right now. Imagine like a spring right here, right? It's getting coiled down. Really low volatility. Then it's gonna pop like right here. See, there was a lot of. Oh, we're getting a little bit of movement now. See, it's low here, and then it popped right after this sell-off here. So I think there's gonna be a big move pretty soon. See here, just a lot of trending. Range-bound movement, except for this one right here, this one right here. Really low volatility, and when there's a big move, there's spikes. So I think we're about to get lined up for a fat move. Those two losses were just a part of it. It's all good. We're gonna hit it. We're gonna get $10 trillion next win. Let's go, baby. Looks like no one's really trading right now. It's moving pretty quick, but only in the same spot. Need someone to dump 5,000 contracts right now. Like, come on, bro. Alright, we're pushing down. Looks like we're going to make a newer low here. Potential to make a newer low here. Liking what I see here. It's moving pretty quick. Pretty smooth, I mean. Getting ready to jump on the train here. Looking for this to make a newer low. See, not liking this pushback right now. Looking for this to just pop. Really. Here we go. See if we can't make a newer low. Just hit it by one tick. See if we can get it here. Alright. Not quite hitting it yet. Oh, it's right on the money.
Order filled.
Getting filled there. Moving stops down here to 83.25. 325, moving it up to 84.25. Wow, are we gonna get really stopped out right now after we just made that low? 84.50, moving stops up to 85. This is the last trade. It's not a winner. We're just gonna call it a day. All the way up to 85. Of course, no one likes losing. It's just stops move up to 85 here. Probably gonna have to move it up to 85.25 soon. Come on, just push. No, you want to go down. Getting the signal a little bit early here on the 3200 chart. Looking for this to really push down to the 6400 tick chart here. For it to really push down. Looks like we're going to get stopped out here. Really a shame. Yeah. It's getting really close. Kind of already accepting that we're going to get stopped out. Just going to leave it in place. What is this push down? Come on, bro. Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? It's at 82. We're going to get stopped out right here. I can already tell. Made a lure low. Just following the system here. All I need is one win, really. One big win, come on. Yeah, not really liking this price action right now. Looking for it to just push down. See if we can't hit this. Let's see what this kind of looks like from the 1600 tick chart. Alright, we took the signal a little bit late there on the 1600, but we would have got stopped out on the 1600, so I'm not complaining there. We actually would have made money if we had taken the earlier signal on the 1600, but we would have got stopped out. Same. Would have got stopped out twice. Borderline 3 times. Gonna go switch back to the 6400 tick chart here in a second. Moving stops down to 82.75. Looking for this to really push now. 275 up to 83.25. 83 and a quarter right now. Come on. This thing really has to push right now. This thing actually just has to push. It's quite simple. Just dump. Someone just dump all their shares in the stock market. Senators, come on. Dump the market. You know the economy's trashed. Fed is devaluing the dollar to prop up the market with unlimited QE. You know the corona cases are rising. We're doing enough in the US. Come on, are you kidding me? 84.25 is our stop currently. Just looking for a massive dump. Come on, just give us a clean sell-off. I know trading's not always clean. It's actually very choppy most of the time. But we can get this. Can get the sell-off. Looking for this to push down now. See if we can't. Oh my god, it's so close to our stop loss. Come on, bro. Just gonna hold the stop loss there. We're gonna get stopped out right now. This is ridiculous.
Stop filled.
This is actually ridiculous. 786. Can't afford to take another trade. Oh my god. This market starts trending, I'm gonna be so pissed. Well, good thing we got stopped there. Jesus Christ. What is it, making a higher low now? I think we have to trade if we wanted to take another one. So we gotta stop at 3 losses though. It's gonna trend now though. I'm so pissed right now. It's gonna trend now. Fuck. Alright, let's change this to 1600. Adjust our stop to a smaller stop loss. How much can we take in a loss term? 786. Take about. We can barely take any loss, dude. It's 3.62. 0.75. Let's just take it. Take the 50. We'll take it if it pushes to 55. 3.5. That's about $150. $50 would be 83. It'd be about $930 loss. Plus 0.5, so it'd be 25, $950. We're below our daily max loss level. Fuck, dude. Let's see, if we would have traded from... We would have taken the signal here, got stopped out here, small profit. Taking the L there. Taking the L there. 2 losses, 2 wins. Overall, this one would have been a decent one actually. From 2480, 2481 up to where we got stopped out would have been 2487. Not bad. We taking that signal, small win. Would have taken this signal, would have just got stopped out right there. Yeah, we're gonna stop for the day. We would have got stopped out there. Pain in the ass. Let's see if it trends. It's already 10:10. This thing's not gonna. God damn it. Getting a little bit tilted right now. This thing's just not trending. Getting our 3 losses for the day. Just call it there. Would have been taking smaller risk if I traded in the 1600. But we would have got stopped out right there. Overall, it doesn't matter what time frame trade on. Would have ended up being a losing day. Holy shit. Actually, 3200 is not quite getting stopped out yet. But we don't have enough left in our daily loss limit to do trading. Plus, it's not that clean either. Look at this. It's gonna rally right now, I bet you. Gonna freaking pop right here. It's gonna rally past 2,500. It's gonna go up to $24 billion. Kind of disappointing overall. Gonna end the stream there. We'll be back tomorrow to trade again. See what happens.